This video is dedicated to our daughter, Darcy Belle. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's something a little bit different. I've incorporated a birthday vlog for Darcy's 8th birthday, and just before that I've shared some images of just before she was born and just some favourite memories of mine throughout her 8 years. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. If you do, please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and let's just get into the video. If you did want to know a little bit more about my pregnancy, it wasn't the easiest with Darcy. I have detailed this a little bit more in the description, so be sure to check that out and have a little read. Makes me so emotional looking back through at these images of her. She's so cute, and quite honestly I cannot believe she is 8. I feel like I have blinked and I've gone from my tiny baby and I'm now mummy to an 8-year-old. So it's now Darcy's birthday morning, so I'm actually the first one awake. I just couldn't sleep, I was so excited. So I'm just giving you a little walk through here of her setup for what she will see when she comes down. How old is Darcy, Ollie? Do you know?
How old is Darcy today?
16.
No, I hope she's not 16.
16?
She's going to be 8. And she's still asleep.
16.
Mummy just can't sleep. So we're up before her. Are we going to go wake Darcy up? You just want your chew, don't you?
Happy birthday, Darcy!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Darcy. Happy birthday to you.
You.
old are you?
How old are you now? How old are you now?
16. Okay, good night.
16.
Wake up, Darcy.
There's
Woo!
presents for you. The open. This is some
Wanna go down?
This is some fluffy feathers. Ooh. Oh my god. What the? Everyone!
Hey, do a spin, 8-year-old.
I don't know.
Why don't you pull those things down?
There's a hoverboard! I don't want an inside camera anymore!
Pull it open that side, that down. Lift the thing up.
Very heavy, I think. Nice and controlled.
Oh no.
Sorry?
Oh, take yourself to the sofa.
Thanks.
No, open the big pink one first.
Oh, yeah. Hey, that's going to pack the clip.
Hope that one breakable. What is it, Darcy?
This is my Earthsats camera. Darcy.
Got to do is you've got to undo the bow and then tell me what it says. Oh, I might need to help you do it because.
Oh no, there's something going to pop out of me.
No, stop that. And then what you got to do is you've got to hold it and then rip that down. So hold it. Put it really hard, quick and fast. Cheers for that.
Me breech, incase, prosecco.
Is there anything written
I
on the
look
top?
cool.
Oh, you look cool. Or is it on the top?
That's what's on the top.
To Darcy, happy birthday, lots of love. Hayley, Nick, and my mum, Kevin. I knew
Should I put that up?
I love it.
I knew something was going to pop out at me, Hayley. I knew it.
Hayley.
Hayley.
I said, oh, do you want to get dressed? She went, oh, no. I said, why not? She went, oh, because Hayley might have got me some cool clothes. I said, oh, okay.
What do you want to do, box first?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have some pizza and then we're gonna call it a night, aren't we? And I can't believe by now I'm mummy to an 8-year-old. So I'm gonna let you do the ending.
If you enjoyed and liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to Mummy's YouTube channel, and comment down below what we'll do next time. Bye!
Bye.
Bye.